Hello, I'm here to tell you a little story today. This is a story about two astronomers about 100 years ago. Uh, Inyar Hertzsprung, there on the left, and his BFF, Henry Norris Russell, on the right, had the brilliant idea one day to decide to see if they could graph characteristics of stars and look for relationships. So they could have graphed, like size and age, or temperature and color, or brightness and how far away it was from the Earth, a lot of different things. And I'm sure they did, but eventually they found this interesting relationship. So when they decided that if they graphed luminosity, which is, you can think of it as brightness, it's absolute brightness, or how much energy the star's putting out. So a star that's close to us, like the sun, looks super bright because it's so close, and other stars look dim because they're far away. That tries to correct for this. So luminosity here on the y-axis is just how much energy the star's putting out. And when they compare that to the temperature here, they might have expected to see some shotgun of data, just dots everywhere with no real relationships. But instead, they saw this. They saw groupings of stars. There's this long diagonal line across the middle here of stars, and it didn't seem to have anything to do with the color. The brighter stars were hotter, and the cooler stars were dimmer, and you saw this relationship, and that might make sense. The oddballs were down here and up here. And these oddballs, it's not like there was a bunch of data in the middle. There were these gaps in the data. And that's what they noticed, and this is going on this happened, they developed this about 100 years ago. This is still around today, and this is called the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. This is something you're going to be working with today and tomorrow.